But I think we place, as a society, we place a lot of judgment on adults crying as well. There's this kind of perception that adults don't cry. And again, why do we need to live up to anybody's idea of what we think is natural? If it's natural, then it's fine. If it's natural, then it's hukum. If it's natural, then that's the way that nature has created us. Why do we place these kind of judgments, and especially on men? You talked about women, but we place a lot of pressure on men, and especially on young boys. Be a man. Those kind of statements are not helpful, because what you're saying to them is, the way you naturally are right now is unacceptable.
Well, when they suppress their feelings, it leads to depression.
Absolutely. And what we're doing is we're suppressing their emotions. Now, the opposite is also true, that we don't need to encourage people to get so emotional all the time, because what we're doing there is we're encouraging their attachments. We have to encourage a detached way of living life, a detached way of looking at the world and looking at themselves. Detachment is the most blissful and stress-free way of living. So I think it's a very specific thing to individuals, is what is it that makes you emotional? What is it that makes you cry? Is it your attachments? Is it something that's natural and needed for you? It's something that's each individual is going to have to answer for themselves.